jaws. Now, the more you're able to just give yourself permission to yawn and relax this jaw area, the more you're allowing your ears to open so you can hear more things, your eyes to open so that you can see more things, for your neck muscles here, which are connected, exactly the same muscles for the yawn, are the same muscles for public speaking and singing. So anyone who teaches public speaking and singing will be telling the people that they're training to yawn, to relax these muscles.
Relax the muscles. Wow.
Interestingly, exactly the same muscles are also used for retching.
For retching. Yes.
Retching. And when over here in the West, we have a huge problem with mental health and eating disorders.